see the America be like a be no mass. Me check. If I see any of you come the fool, say you want, and Peller be small boy, and Peller be small boy, I go make the fight. I get boys, they don't talent top, they work 247. They go find you, they go beat you. We go to discipline people for Ghana like that. Because if they say they get cyber crime units for this system is like, if they look for Saka boys. Saka boys don't commit anybody, they don't go hurt anybody. They don't even they come comment for people. Saka boys, they look for money. You know what when they talk raw, make people understand. Saka boys like they for employ them, government for how do you do and you take money for white man? Okay, because the system no good. Okay, so government, so how can you help us? Because we've no help, and we go collect the things, but we go collect time for them. Because people know they help we. Because we don't say you go to the collect, so we go collect. The government go tell us, okay, cool. You look for the investors, bring them to the government. When you bring them, we'll give you some percentage. Sakawa go stop. Boys go see say they get job. So boy go get job with $15 million. Then go bring come government. Government go run the thing legit. Then boy go get money, government go get money. But because Africa, we don't get sense. As I mean, we employ people for office where they know if you look for investors. Small boy, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. They if you look for investor, they if you get client where they pay. But because Africa, we the sick. So it be nonsense life. So Sakawa boy no wake up. They can't day and say, who be Peller and who be Peller. Bro, if you do that, God will bless you. You go retire. Those 34 people in Ghana will go feel you for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 34. We will feel you for you. If you go check the most foolish app for this country inside, where government even no pay attention to be Twitter. That boy you could see the foolish Bongo ideas, the most awarded poverty man in the country. He poor person into he go there. They will come write English and they come and say, oh, everybody in opinion, everybody for sure, everybody your opinion where they smell like toilet, like your opinion they smell like toilet. Your opinion, your opinion where you get one bob for house, one bob. Because my house inside, I get over 500 to 600 pieces of lights in my house. Your opinion, we get one bulb for house, one light for house, one light where you say, they speak for your house. You where you won't can tell somebody you be successful person. You won't can be like show them what. By the way, we go beat you. By the way, we go beat you. By the way, we go beat you. We go beat you and like I say, police. So you know, you the truth is what they talk. Make somebody can't. We go beat you, man. We go beat you, man. We go beat you. Blood go pour. Because the nonsense things, like you people, Charlie, me and Beyonce do some people the internet up, and you know be me, it be Photoshop. We do video. They say it be photo. How you do see video and say it be photo? But man, if you no get sense, if you no get mental problem, like you get mental problem, why you talk like that? You get mental problem. You get mental problem, serious mental problem. Like your problems in Ghana. And now they talk to those 34 people. You be 34, you are not the population. You are 34 people in Ghana that are full. 34. Government for leave those 34 for me. 34, but they for leave them for me. Then no people insult Peller. Because here, as Peller Day Nigeria, where artists they go in there, people they go visit them. And things, people, oh, this guy is doing good. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. From Ghana artists, your favorite, they want, oh, I want to make Peller. Peller sit down where he say, oh no, I like Shatta Wale music. Let me come and see Shatta Wale in Ghana. Oh, Peller, come on, come to Ghana. Peller come Ghana. Then you people embrace that grace where the boy gets. And some of you want the social media and make up for social media. It no be problem. You get somebody where God give you, say, oh, this is a direction of how you can make it. Yeah, you know, they say you where they speak good English. If you take their family house, no. If you landlord they chase you for rent, you know, this morning, no. You where you speak better English. You where you go school, you finish university and everything. If you today, you tell somebody if you go visit you momo 100 Ghana cedi, you know. I mean, check when we talk, the people won't talk like people get sense, like people get things where you. Baba, anybody will go try any nonsense thing for Peller in brand in top for Ghana. We go look for it with those 34 people, especially those people where they did those Twitter and things. Do hey, Baba, who person on this car? You won't make money for yourself, or you won't create connections and networks for yourself. Try and be on Facebook and TikTok, Instagram. You understand me? Snapchat. You understand what I'm saying? Don't involve yourself. You see those people they did Twitter. They be very foolish people for the whole Ghana. Anybody who did that Twitter app top, it be foolish person. I don't care. Anybody who did that Twitter app, apart from me, my dog, maybe MDK or something, and maybe one or two people. All the rest they be foolish people. Foolish ideas, foolish, like, if I think about it, I'm like, what is all this? No, but what is all this? So that people they sing for internet top, they say like, oh no, you do meet people for, you do ask people for, they go tell you. Me they want people, me they want any, but if you can't misbehave for student, you wanna, if you don't, we go beat you. We go beat you. We go beat you, people make your face for them like baby monkey where they play baby monkey national team. If they talk, then you won't just come open your mouth and talk in here. See how Nigerians hold Peller down. Everybody, nobody, no man in this world be perfect. Sometimes, yeah, once in a while, man, if you make mistake. But Peller said, if you make mistake, see the way some Nigerians they try, you know, make, because they don't want to make that thing go out. If you only Ghana, see how, you know how many Nigerian artists they their way. They feel free, they do. But Ghana here, artists hold smoke. They smoke weed. But people they feel whiskey and those your people they feel come Ghana. No, bloggers on the right there. Then me right now I won't gather the bloggers association because yesterday what the bloggers even do for Peller for airport, I believe them. What the bloggers do. So right now go gather all the bloggers and tell them bloggers, do you all guys want to make money? Okay, let us make money. We know how we can make money through these things. You people food too much, Charlie. You people for a reason. No, it's just as wake up. My house was cold. I air conditioned. My house was cold. By the way, singlet. You understand me? Body make fresh. You understand me? You people know me from where I start and come. And Shatta Wale no go make her. And Shatta Wale to this. If I take this phone and I take go my compa, you make the vest. You know, successful things. Ghana no they appreciate. Ghana people don't like successful things. Ghanaians, they don't like successful things. Why do you have to behave like that? Because if you say if somebody they shine, like it they pain you. If someone they go on, they worry you. Bro, why you try that thing? Fuck everything, would they beat you for street? Go look for you and beat you. Because you people have just decided that you don't want to like learn. Like you are in this world and you're just wasting your time on unnecessary things. You are just wasting your time on unnecessary things. Bro, you're wasting your time. Because how this great opportunity, that's why they talk, as Beyonce feature me, it was the greatest opportunity for everybody who is in the creative system or the the arts and whatever system for take advantage of that thing and make we take push Ghana. But you people and Shatta Wale, then amount of money we are make from that Beyonce feature, that's what you people they see today. And now the two fear they be in Shatta Wale, you go tire. You understand me? You go tire. You go tire. This Peller, see, young, charming, and graceful boy. Wait, they no be say me now go. Oh, Peller come to Ghana. Peller come to. I feel say, Peller, he not say my fan. He like my music. He dey listen my music from when. So make I go visit Shatta Wale. Then he come. Then, like they say Twitter boys, they call some agenda boy. Someone just has school life, no. Someone just have boys school life, no. Secondary school life, no. Move from my dream, but to say we in real life, no. Yaba boom here. I go arrange all my boys from every corner, from Kasua, from Nima, from Ashama, from everywhere, from corner Stamale, Bog. I go arrange you. They go look for those 34. They go beat you. Government go for doing it. Because me to that be I go for save my work. Or if you say the thing way government did there, they do this one today, they did this one. If you say they know they save them my work, but because you know the thing, so they care about you. They don't go for save you because you people are foolish. The only thing government in Ghana know Ghanaians for is to come and use your tongue and vote foolishly and go and sit in your house and suffer. A boy. If you say we dey like you, but mommy, I don't dey like you. But my father is a full-time politician. So me no politician will really play with my man. Because the moment me a politician sit down, it's either a 50-50 or go your way and let me go my way. Final. Referee, finish. Now be serious like that. But because most of you, they born you from an environment where you can't change that environment. So you did there. Because say if my father get money, I go fit used to their house and I know go come and come do this foolish music, career thing way people know they appreciate and it be nonsense. All the musicians I watch from the past, no, everybody they lie me. Everybody they lie me. Check my life right now and see that they live like some musician for the past now. My life and they live be first ever in Ghana. No artist ever they live that life from Ghana music. I never see nobody motivates me like that before. Which musician for Ghana come Ghana way? He got a poo-poo shit like this. You did that, you follow nonsense thing. Man, they show you the way of it. Oh, Shatta. So now if you go Twitter, if I tell you, Shatta, oh, show us the way, show us the way. They show you the way now, but foolishness. Upape Jimmy, your father is a fool, your mother is a fool, your sister is a fool, your brother is a fool, your uncle is a fool, your whole entire extended family is a fool. So you can't even be a good, you are a fool. A fool. How are you a fool? Are you fine, a fool? And why do you a fool where you put a job for? Baba, we will find solution to this problem. Because if you fool where you put a job where you make you fool, then for job they stop to fool. Or banku where you put a job where you make the banku. Before they stop the job banku, because you people are a fool. Baba, you people in Ghana, plenty of you are a fool. Trust me, the politicians know you are a fool. Your MP for an area, I know you are a fool. Baba, plenty of you are a fool. You people are a fool and you will continue to be a fool because nobody can stop a fool from being a fool. A fool will always be a fool. And I'm sure it's the fufu that's making you people a fool. Because after they talk to you, and somebody they eat fufu, the way they talk to me, and it's a fool. So how can you be eating fufu when you know fufu can make you a fool, and you are a fool? Master, you are a fool. Abba. How? A fool is somebody that like fufu. That boy have to be concluded because he be Jimmy. Mama be Jimmy, be stupid life. Abba. How? Don't bring somebody can Ghana you for happy and you and all of you did the content creators. If you say like Charlie, this is an opportunity. This boy, okay, cool. It be great way to follow this boy. So how can we even organize some Shatta? We beg you, won't organize some content creators association. Make this content creators something forum. Will you bring this boy? Make he come teach me how he starts this thing. What's yeah? The time Peller start, where they dress on way, he they do this, he they do that. Everybody watch out for internet. Hey, who is this boy? Oh, this boy doesn't know how to speak English. God, he not be white man, or he be Indian man, or he be Germany man, or God, he be Japanese man. God, you know they deal with who they speak language and who know they speak any language. So if far as you can use your wisdom to create something, they say God helps those who help himself. Dedication and time is what makes people successful. Foolish people, if you don't know, I'm telling you, dedication and time. dedication. You dedicate your life for something. Me, I dedicated my life for music. What you doing? I dedicate my life for music. I dedicate myself for music. My life for, I say I want to be a musician. That be what I want to do. I don't want to do anything. Come and give me doctor, I won't do. Come and give me lawyer, I won't do. I wanted to be a musician. I mean, I remember those days I tell my father, he tell me, say, Ghana musicians will not be successful. I say, no be me. Me, I will be successful, daddy. Me, I didn't come here to come and look for girls and come and chop. But I get plenty pussy at the chop. I get plenty girls at the chop. No be music go make I can look like I want chop girls and that be what I want. Bah, the time I day house, I get money, I get dresses, I get everything, I get cars. My father get everything. I guess what I'm saying. So if you go change for your Peller, he get tomorrow to be in Ghana. If you know, say you won't tap into whatever is happening, find a positive brain. Today we go down. If you want to be part of it, let me go to make a find way and know, maybe talk to some reflex or talk to my team or talk to somebody, make we forget, make I feel ask Peller one or two few questions. At least now will motivate me and the people on my channel, because obviously people they follow me too and think positive like that. But you see Peller small way, but like get money past your father. Your father will know if you watch you, where you right now you can't tell content creator where the internet or where they do so your father will know if you watch you. This boy, he go fit give you small wisdom. You go fit use am take build life. You don't know, You don't know. Peller can change your life for you. Peller, he go fit change your life for you. Me, my fan. He can yesterday Peller come house. All the things where you put it on, Shatta Wale no get this, and Shatta Wale be liar, and Shatta Wale be this, and Shatta Wale be that. Yesterday, me your boy come house yesterday. And they my other house, they chill, they live life. I got houses for his go at it. You gotta tell you put it a foolish life like my Jimmy. You put Jimmy, you put what? I get house plenty. Plenty, I get land plenty, I get money plenty. Today somebody go down, they go through money plenty for the fans, let the fans enjoy. Cause this year inside them, I don't really come out with. I just won't go show love for my people for streets. At the house, at Bonah, today if I drive Rolls Royce, tomorrow I go drive Lamborghini, or go drive Escalade, or BMW, or Benz, or Land Cruiser. But I'm tired. Charlie, money sweet too. Mama look for money, oh. Mama look for money. You know, come TikTok. Sometimes I come TikTok, say, when people they gift me, say, and the talk God say, make it give them if you give those people that they gift me 10,000 times, 20,000, make it bless them. Charlie, because sometimes I come TikTok, say, people they gift me, I say, ow. People they love Shatta Wale like this. Like people they love me too much. They say, I don't know, like check my stuff so online.